How to withdraw money from Kraken to bank account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can withdraw money from Kraken to your bank account UK. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Whether you are doing it on the web browser or whether you are doing it on the app, you want to first go ahead and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, you want to simply tap on the arrow icon at the bottom of your screen and then tap on withdraw option. Once you tap on withdraw, you want to go ahead and select the assets that you would like to withdraw. For suppose if you want to transfer Bitcoin, Ethereum, once you tap on it, you can see you'll get the option to enter it, and then you can see pay with. Select the payment method that you wish to get it. Then you can go ahead and tap on review and confirm it, and you should be able to withdraw. So this is how you can withdraw from Kraken to your bank account. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.